In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme activate dark mode in Outlook. We'll walk through both classic desktop Outlook and the new Outlook experience, so you can pick the path that matches what you see on your screen. Dark mode can make long email sessions easier on the eyes, and in the classic version it also keeps your Office apps looking consistent across the board. If you're using the classic desktop Outlook, the quickest route is through the Office account page. Open Outlook, click File in the top left corner, and choose Office account. On the right, you'll see the Office theme menu. Select black for true dark mode, or choose dark gray if you prefer a softer, less contrasty look. Then click the back arrow to return to Outlook. The change takes effect immediately, and it applies to all your Office apps on this device, including Word and Excel, so your entire workspace stays consistent. There's another way to reach the same setting in Classic Outlook if you're already in your preferences. Click File again and select Options. In the Outlook Options window, make sure you're on the General section. Look for the area called Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Open the Office theme drop-down and choose black. Click OK to close the window and apply the theme. Whether you use Office account or Options, you're changing the same theme setting, so pick whichever route feels more convenient. Now, if you're using the new Outlook experience, the control for dark mode lives in its own appearance settings. Click the Settings gear icon at the top of the window. In the sidebar, go to General, then choose Appearance. Under Dark Mode, select Dark. Click Save, and your Outlook switches over right away. In the new Outlook, this change applies to Outlook itself without affecting themes in your other Office apps. A few quick pointers as you decide what looks best. The black theme gives you the deepest dark background, which many people find most comfortable in low light, while dark gray softens the contrast and can feel easier to read in bright environments. If you share a computer or switch between Office apps often, remember that the classic Outlook theme setting carries across those apps, helping everything look unified. And if you ever change your mind, just repeat these same steps to return to a light theme. That's all you need to activate dark mode in both versions of Outlook. Enjoy a cleaner, low-glare inbox and a more comfortable workspace. Thanks for watching.